Hi, I'm Deon Moodley. I've been in the forklift industry 20 plus years now, heading up the after sales division with Orizen repairs, maintenance, service, parts. In regards to the common perception that electric forklifts don't need maintenance, that statement is totally untrue. Reason being, it's electrical equipment, so if the unit is in a dusty environment, you're going to get a lot of dust, a lot of debris falling onto the unit, which goes into your working parts. So they really need to be cleaned out, electrically cleaned, electrically blown out. A service starting, we call it from forked to counterweight, meaning you start cleaning out your forklift first. Then you will do a electrical clean on the forklift where you use electrical cleaner, getting all your debris out of your unit, your dust and debris out of all your motors, your pumps. You grease all your lubricating joints, your lubricating points. Your safety aspects all need to be checked and in working order. So basically we want to prevent any further problems or breakdowns that you might have, and obviously we want to eliminate your downtime. That's why it's very important doing this maintenance on your unit.